First thing you need to do is to remove the glove box. The glove box has plastic tabs on both sides, which acts as a stopper. Push both sides inward and drag the glove box downward. After that, gently pull this small plastic linkage. Then pull the whole glove box away. This is the plastic tab that acts as a stopper. This is where the linkage is connected. And these are the small brackets that acts as a hinge. Press this plastic tab to release the lock. At this point, if you don't have a washable cabin air filter, you can replace it right away with your new cabin air filter. Here's how dirty it is. I will wash the backside first to push the dirt away from the filter. This is the cabin air filter cover, which has plastic tab or lock on both sides. Now that it is clean and dry, reinstall the cabin air filter. Reinstall the plastic cover. Put the glove box back on the dashboard. Close it and call it a day. Thank you very much for watching and God bless.